Hello and welcome to Ethos Genesis. Today we're going to talk about creating a document template. So to get started, we're going to go ahead and log in. And once again, we land here on our dashboard, which is 100% customizable. But to get to the document template, we're going to go up here to the Other, Documents, and then Templates. All right, so we already have two templates created, but we're going to create one from scratch. So in order to do that, we can click the Add button here, or we can click it here. All right, we need to give this document template a unique name. So I'm going to call mine new document template. And let's keep it consistent. All right, next thing is we have a categories to choose from. We can use any of these. I'm just going to use answer filing just to keep it simple. We have a generation mode, how we want it to generate. I'm just going to leave that on the default, but I'll let you play around with that and decide what works best for you. The next part we have is the upload template, or you have the template editor. We're going to use the template editor, but if you already have a template created using like a Word doc or something like that, as it says over here on the card on the side for the reference, you can create a docx formatting template and use that, or you can use the template editor. Doesn't matter, either one's fine. I'm going to demonstrate today using the template editor, which is already built into Ethos. So it makes it really nice and convenient. So let's just start with something really simple. Let's say case number. And then I want to grab the case number. So we have a few things we can do here. I'm going to go ahead and grab this, and then we'll come back to this in just a second. All right. So I inserted this, and what does this mean? So what this is right here, this placeholders, is this is data that you can pull directly when you're building your templates to pull directly from the database. So you have access to all this information. There's a lot there. I'm not going to go through it all, but I'll let you decide and filter through. Um, you also have functions that you can use when you're building your templates. So you can pull some case information. You can pull some of these. You pull from workflows. You can have all kinds of functions that you can use uh, to build your template. And this will most likely expand in the near future. We'll have a lot more added. And with customizations, you can obviously add your own as well. All right, let's come into constructs. Constructs is probably going to be for your more advanced user. If you know how to use an if statement, you can build complex if statements. You can build loops. You can define variables. You can have filters. You can use operators. You can add comments and more types of loop variables. So you can get pretty complex with your document template. As complex as about as complex as you possibly need. Would say that you still need more power. It's just not enough for you. Actually, while we're in here, I'm going to go ahead and grab a court name. Whoop, let's undo that because that was in the wrong place. Uh, but as I was saying, let's say that you need more. For some reason, you just simply need more, and this is not enough. So you can switch to code view. And you can write basically using like an HTML. The only thing it would not be like a standard HTML is this piece right here, which is the part that pulls directly from the database. So you kind of have to use kind of our syntax, our built-in syntax for that. For the most part, though, it is HTML. So you can get this exactly how you want it. All right, let's do that. So that's fixed. You can also do some headings, some standard formatting, add tables, and you can even add links. And there's a help section. All right, so that is the document templates. Let's go ahead and create this one. And there it is. So our new document template has been created and now is available. We could use it if we would like to. All right, so thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to post them in the comments.